So what is its makhraj? It comes from the middle of the throat. So basically the throat has 6 letters, from the farthest from the mouth, the middle, and the nearest to the mouth. And this one is from the middle of the throat. It is produced with the base. Okay, so let me explain this to you. Okay, it is produced with the base of the tongue near the back of the mouth. So the base of the tongue, that's the base. You see here, that's the base of the tongue there, and the base of the tongue, okay, near the back of the throat. So it comes near the back of the throat and strongly constricting the wall. Okay, and then if you see here, the wall is constricted compared to other situation, and tensing the tongue, and the tongue is tense. And okay, we see the sound is ha, ha. Okay, it's very difficult to pronounce for some people, and especially if for English, because there's no this equivalent letter or sound in English. Okay, so again, it is one of the throat letters. It is pronounced from the middle of the throat.